Well, after I programmed the BCM body control module, the security light is gone. I got spark on number 3 cylinder, and I don't see any misfires anywhere. Yep. No codes. Let's go look. Scenes cleared. Well, but that's warning items. I don't see misfire. That's not current. That's a test status. So right now no codes runs. That's all I got in it right now. Airbags and tire pressure. That's it. That's a fix for misfire in one cylinder.